Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the top 7 benefits of exercise with a weighted hula hoop. We're here to delve into this engaging and effective workout method. So, let's begin. Benefit 1. Core strength enhancement. Our first benefit is the enhancement of core strength. As you engage in the rhythmic motion of weighted hula hooping, you are effectively exercising your core muscles, leading to improved strength and toning. Benefit 2. Cardiovascular fitness. Now, let's discuss the exceptional cardiovascular benefits that come with hula hooping. The consistent movement of the weighted hoop elevates your heart rate, providing a fulfilling cardio workout that is advantageous for your heart health. Benefit 3. Calorie expenditure. Weighted hula hooping is also an excellent calorie-burning exercise. The continual motion, combined with the added resistance, results in a potent calorie-burning routine that can help you reach your weight management goals. Benefit 4. Balance enhancement. Struggling with balance? Weighted hula hooping can help address this concern. The necessity to sustain the hoop's rotation necessitates balance, leading to enhanced stability and equilibrium. Benefit 5. Coordination improvement. Another significant benefit is the advancement of coordination. Hula hooping with added weight requires precise and coordinated movements, which can enhance your hand-eye coordination and overall motor skills. Benefit 6. Stress reduction and relaxation. Weighted hula hooping offers a natural means of stress reduction. As you engage in this rhythmic activity, you can enter a meditative and soothing state that reduces stress levels and fosters relaxation. Benefit 7. Enjoyable fitness routine. The most remarkable benefit is that weighted hula hooping makes exercise truly enjoyable. In contrast to some workouts, this one feels more like an enjoyable activity than a chore. It's a delightful and engaging way to maintain an active lifestyle, ensuring a higher likelihood of sticking to your fitness regimen. Conclusion. So, in summary, the top 7 benefits of weighted hula hooping encompass core strength enhancement, cardiovascular fitness, calorie expenditure, balance enhancement, improved coordination, stress reduction, and, above all, a fitness routine that is enjoyable and sustainable. If you're seeking a workout method that is both effective and engaging, don't hesitate to give weighted hula hooping a try. Are you ready to grab your weighted hula hoop and experience these benefits for yourself? It's time to enjoy fitness in a whole new way. Remember to hit the like button if you found this information useful, and be sure to subscribe for more health and fitness insights. Stay active, stay happy, and keep hula hooping.